How to sort counter by value? Python. Other than doing list comprehensions of reversed list comprehension, is there a Pythonic way to sort counter by value? If so, it is faster than this.
Use the counter.most_common method, it'll sort the items for you. It'll do so in the most efficient manner possible. If you ask for a top n instead of all values, a heap is used instead of a straight sort. Outside of counters, sorting can always be adjusted based on a key function. .sort and sorted both take callable that lets you specify a value on which to sort the input sequence. Sorted x, key equals x.get, reverse equals true, would give you the same sorting as x.most_common, but only return the keys, for example. Or you can sort on only the value given, key, value, pairs. See the Python sorting how-to for more information.
A rather nice addition to add Martij Pieter's answer is to get back a dictionary sorted by occurrence, since collections.most_common only returns a tuple. I often couple this with a JSON output for handy log files. With the output,
yes. Using the sorted keyword key and a lambda function. This works for all dictionaries. However, counter has a special function which already gives you the sorted items, from most frequent to least frequent. It's called most_common. You can also specify how many items you want to see.
More general sorted, where the key keyword defines the sorting method, minus before numerical type indicates descending.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.